Bharat, Hindustan, and recently India, country with one of the ancient cultures. India was known as Sone ki Chidiya, which means a golden bird. It was among the richest and prosperous countries of the world. India had a share of more than 25% in the world trade, and a secret lies in our Vedas. The Vedas were written thousands and millions of years ago. These Vedas have everything written in them. Even the discoveries or the inventions going on today can be found in Vedas. Some of the proofs are the Big Bang Theory, what's called as Brahmand Vispotak, which means the same. The cosmic egg, which is like the most important part of Big Bang Theory, was called as Hiranyagarbha, which means the same. Geography was called Bhugola, which means the round earth, and this is in practice from the ancient times. Then what happened? Why did India's economy fall? Why did we got behind in the race? It's just because our self-esteem got down. Lord Macaulay addressed British Parliament on 2nd February 1835. He said, "I had travelled across the lengths and breadths of India, and I have not seen one person who is a beggar, who is a thief. Such a wealth I have seen in this country, such high moral values, people of such caliber, that I do not think we would ever conquer this country unless we break the very backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage. And therefore, I propose that we replace her old and ancient education system, her culture, for if the Indians think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native culture, and they will become what they want them, a truly dominated nation." So that's what we have become, a completely dominated nation. That's the right time for us to wake up, recognize us, have a look at our Vedas, read them at least once, and then you are the best in the world. Understand this fact and get to the top of the world. At last, we are Indians.